Now this is a slippery slope. Entitlement is a subtle yet pervasive mindset that can creep into our lives without us even realizing it. It often starts small, with little things that seem harmless at first. When you achieve a certain level of wealth, it's easy to fall into the trap of entitlement. The comfort and luxury that come with financial success can create a bubble, insulating you from the everyday struggles that others face. This bubble can distort your perception of reality. You start to believe that you're somehow different, that the rules don't apply to you. This mindset can lead to a sense of superiority where you feel that your wealth or status makes you more deserving than others. It's a dangerous path that can lead to isolation and a lack of empathy. Maybe you expect special treatment, cut lines, or demand preferential service. These actions might seem justified in the moment, but they can create a rift between you and those around you. The more you indulge in these behaviors, the more disconnected you become from the reality of others. This sense of entitlement can seep into your everyday interactions, creating a disconnect between you and the rest of the world. It can manifest in how you treat service workers, friends, and even family. Over time, this can erode relationships and foster resentment. People pick up on it, and it can be incredibly off-putting. The more you flaunt your wealth or expect special treatment, the more others may distance themselves from you. This can lead to a lonely existence where your wealth becomes a barrier rather than a bridge. Remember, true respect is earned, not bought. It's important to stay grounded and remember where you came from. Humility and kindness go a long way in building genuine connections. Treating others with respect and empathy, regardless of their status, is the key to a fulfilling and meaningful life. Wealth should be a tool for good, not a weapon of division. Chapter 3. Isolation. Here's the thing about extreme wealth. It can create a bubble, isolating you from the experiences and perspectives of everyday people. You might find yourself surrounded by others who share your socioeconomic status, which can limit your worldview. It's easy to lose touch with the realities most people face, the struggles, the anxieties, the day-to-day grind. This isolation can lead to a lack of empathy and understanding, making it difficult to form genuine connections outside of your immediate circle.